My role here at Fabrications involves me getting a job pack off my manager, and I'll make this job from start to finish, and everything in this job is made by myself. Handrails one day, balconies another day, or you could be doing balustrading. There's something different all the time, you're never doing the same thing. I really enjoyed my time at AMRC, being able to use state-of-the-art equipment like the VR welder, the virtual reality welder. I felt like this gave me a lot of confidence when I came to doing actual welding. I also liked that they had courses to do like plate work, MIG welding, TIG welding. I felt like this really helped me out when I come back to company.
We took Rhys on in 2017. Right from the beginning, we noticed his ambition and his willingness towards the job. He's easy to approach. He's got good mentoring skills, which we find is a good role model to our other apprentices that we've got at the moment.
In the short term, I hope to progress in my education at AMRC and do a higher apprenticeship to get more qualifications. But in the long term, I hope to come back to progress within the company at Fabrications, do some mentoring, help the other apprentices, maybe go up to foreman level.